Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today I'm going to be telling you how to find out if your wheel tracking is off. So the main telltale sign is when you look at your tires. So if you look at my tires here, on the right hand side of the tire, it's going to have them grooves in. Can you see them lines on the left hand side? It's going to have them, but it's completely flat. Whereas the rest of the tire is fine. All the grooves are there, you got everything there. So as you can see, it's uneven wear. It's wearing on the inside. So that over time will be a problem because it will become dangerous. So already you can see there's no grooves there at all. So it's very dangerous already, especially in the wet and the rain. So I'll give you a story now. So I had Pirelli P20s on. P20s which were run flats. Fortunately they were run flats. So I'm guessing the same thing happened because the tire exploded pretty much at 70 miles an hour on the motorway, guys. Because I'd run flats, it managed to hold off, but then I couldn't. My steering was pretty much gone. Couldn't steer at all. So then when we took off the tire, we found out that the tire was actually burst from the inside. So where you see now, this tire is very bald there. So it was burst from the inside, similar to this. So it must have been wearing on the inside over time, and it just burst because of it's too much. So on the outside it all looked fine, the tread depth was fine. So make sure you check out your wheel tracking, because it can be a big issue like it has been for me. If I didn't have them run flats, I would have been in a lot of trouble, because I would be at 70 miles an hour and the car would have just gone sideways, whatever, anything. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.